So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that you have your speakers selected and you want to turn up the volume. Make sure that you have the volume turned up. And now we're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And now once you run this, make sure that you're on the playback tab. And now you want to find your speakers. You want to double click on it and then click on levels. Again, make sure you have your speakers turned up and that this has been unmuted. Now we're going to click on advanced. I recommend going with at least 44,100 Hz CD quality. You can go higher, but I recommend going with this option first. Then you can try out the other options if you want to. And you could also untick both of these boxes right here and then click on apply and then click on OK. See if that improves your sound quality. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that the application that you want to use has not been muted and that you have this turned up. You should also turn up your speakers right here and then unmute it. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to click on yes to run the automated diagnostics. You just want to go through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. You want to find your speakers, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now we're going to close out of this. And now you want to expand sound, video and game controllers. If it says for you either high definition audio device or Realtek R audio, then you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You could also try to find the latest drivers for your speakers online, for your manufacturer's website. Also, if your speakers come with a software, then you want to go to your software and then click on your speakers. And now you want to go to settings. Make sure that the firmware for your speakers are up to date for your software. For the last step, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that fixes your low audio. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.